What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. First things first, I just want to hope everybody had a great new year and are all excited for 2022. Now this video, we've picked up this Golf from Copart. It's a non-cat car, so it has no recorded damage, but it is in need of some TLC. Everything mechanical on the car works 100% and all the major damage is on the bodywork. So let's have a look.
So as you've seen, we've gave the car a real good wash down just so we can really see what we're working with. And straight off the bat, the bonnet's chipped here quite heavily and it's peppered with chips and scratches. So what we're going to do is repaint the whole bonnet. The bumper itself is all scuffed, scratched and chipped, so again we'll paint the bumper as well. Looking down this side, it's not too bad. There's a little chip on the door here. We'll probably just touch that in, it's not worth painting. There's a wee dent in the sill, we probably won't worry about that. This door's okay, quarter panel's okay, the roof's okay. Coming on to the back bumper, again, it's all scratches, people loading the boot and maybe dogs jumping in and out, stuff like that. So the back bumper definitely needs painting. There's also some damage here, where it looks like the bumper's been pushed in and something behind it's poked out. So we'll need to fix that. There's a heavy scuff on this side of the bumper. So yeah, definitely back bumper painted. There's a few scratches and scuffs on this quarter panel, but I think most of them will polish out. And there's a couple of minor dents here. I don't think we're going to go that far into it. I don't think we're going to do anything with them. This door has got a big nasty dent right in the centre of it, so we are going to take care of that. Front door, again, some minor scuffs and chips, maybe a wee bit of touch-up paint on the edge there, but that's that for that door. And the front wing's okay. The A-pillars, B-pillars, they've got some scuffs on them, so I think the two bumpers, the bonnet, the door, they all need painted, and I think the rest of it will come up just fine with a nice machine polish. So guys, I've made a start in the door, and what I've done now is I've took the door panel off the inside of the door, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and take as much of this dent out as possible to minimise the amount of filler, but I want the door to still be secure, so I'll have a tinker with this first before we take the door completely off. All I'm going to use is a wee selection of hammers and metal bits and bobs that I've got. I've never had a set of proper bodywork hammers. I should probably invest in a set at some point, but I've always done alright with these, so let's have a wee play about with it. We'll see how much of the dent we can get out, and then we'll take the door off.
Okay, so we've got all the panels off the car now and we can start the prep work. But the first thing we need to get done is remove all of these plastic trims, that way they won't get in the way of our painting. all the panels prepped. Catch us next time when we throw down the paint and get them completely finished. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and turn on your notification bell, that way you get notified every time we upload. Have a great day and we'll see you next time.